So I'm...
You already started it?
And I have the hiccups. There's Kimberly. There's Jennifer.
You're on
I moved in here so Matt gets home because I miss him and I don't want to be alone. So I get to stay with the crazy Spanish family.
Oh, thanks.
It doesn't have any sherbet in their house. They have a lot of dogs and they get kind of annoying.
I agree.
They're kind of ugly.
I don't agree.
Look, there's one right now. What's going on with this one? There's people coming in here. I hear. I gotta go. Bye. Oh, there's Poppy. Hey, Poppy.
Back up off the computer.
She's my favorite.
Espérate, te la voy a pasar para que haga la pregunta que necesitas.
Okay.
Oh my God! Did you see Will went home?
Aire.